Hey everyone! In today's video, we're showing you how to apply transfer decals onto Lego bricks and create amazing one-of-a-kind minifigures for your collection. This method gives you custom prints without expensive printing machines. So let's jump right in. RPGfigures. Play hard, paint harder. We're a creative studio designing sci-fi and fantasy STL miniatures for 3D printing. So let's get started. What you'll need: plain Lego bricks, preferably clean and unprinted. You can get them from lego.com. Your decal designs, download them at rpgfigures.com. They even have free samples to practice. Transfer paper. Make sure to pick the right type for your printer, inkjet or laser, and choose clear or white backing depending on your project. Available on Amazon. A hobby knife. A small cup of water. Paper tissues, tweezers. Clear varnish to protect your decals. Optionally, you can use decal solution. We will use it, but it's not required. Step by step. Step 1. Prep the bricks. Wipe them with alcohol to remove dust and grease. Step 2. Cut and soak the decals. Cut out your decals and soak them in water for 1 to 2 minutes. Step 3. Apply decal setting solution. Optional. A thin layer of decal set helps the decal stick better. Step 4. Transfer the decal. Slide the decal onto the brick with tweezers and press it gently with a tissue to remove water. Wait 2 to 3 minutes. Step 5. Once everything is dry, spray a thin layer of clear varnish to protect your custom print. Repeat for all pieces. And done! Your custom Lego figure is ready and looks awesome. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what figures you want to make next. See you in the next one. RPGfigures. Play hard, paint harder. We're a creative studio designing sci-fi and fantasy STL miniatures for 3D printing.